মহাত্মা গান্ধীৰ যি সবৰমতী আশ্ৰম আমি তাতে বৰ্তমান আছোঁ। তো ইয়াত আমি জানিবলৈ পাইছোঁ বা দেখিব পাইছোঁ মহাত্মা গান্ধী যিটো নেকি যঁতৰ ব্যৱহাৰ কৰিছিল সেই যঁতৰটো ইয়াত সংৰক্ষণ কৰি ৰখা আছে, তালা মাৰি ৰাখিছে। আমি চাওঁ এই যঁতৰটো কেনেকুৱা আছে। এইটো আছে সেই মহাত্মা গান্ধীয়ে ব্যৱহাৰ কৰা আমাৰ বাপুজী যি আছিল এইখন টেবুল টুল আছে, বহাৰ জাগা আছে আৰু এইটো যঁতৰ আছে। যঁতৰটো অলপ ভিতৰত ৰাখিছে আৰু ইয়াত তালা মাৰা আছে। তো এনেকৈ বনাইছিল আমাৰ মেডামে ইয়াত বহি দেখুৱাই আছে। সূতা এনেকৈ গান্ধীজীয়ে আমাৰ কাপোৰ বনাইছিল। এইটো
and the original spinning wheel kept inside that room, ring room.
Original.
So he used to make thread by using that spinning wheel. Okay, and study table also. He wrote autobiography by sitting there. That is the room for the visitors, those who want to meet him. So this is his house. Up to 13, from 18 to 30 he was in this house. And it was built in 1917. Five main things you have to see. Those were built in 1917. This is Hriday Kund Gandhiji's house. From here he started Dandi March to break the salt law imposed by the Britishers.
Which is the birthplace?
Porbandar.
Porbandar. Where is it?
It is 7 hours distance from here.
7 hours.
One night journey. So that is Porbandar, and he born there. Then went to South Africa, studied in Britain, and ultimately in 1915 he came back to India by the writing of by his later mentor Gopal Krishna Gokhale. The first ashram was established from here 6 km distance in our city, that is Kochrab ashram. Next it was shifted to here in 1917. Gandhi was in Bihar that time. So up to 18 he said, why you make this such a huge palace for me? And when he left from this place in 1930, he told to the people, I will not come back to this particular ashram. Instead I give the freedom at a very cheaper price by using local product and local labor. So as you know, he roam a lot, travel a lot, and help untouchability. That was a very huge problem in India at that time.
Thank you.
One by one, step by step, every movement he succeeded. Then quit India, and he was in Aga Khan Palace up to 1940 to 44, and there Kasturba died. So that thought is about Vinoba and Meera. They both stayed there.
তাৰমানে ইয়াত বহি যি বিদেশী বস্তু বহিষ্কাৰৰ যি আন্দোলন, সেই আন্দোলন ইয়াত বহি গান্ধীজী নিজে সূতা কাটি নিজে কাপোৰ বনাই পিন্ধিছিল। তো ভাল লাগিল।